Nadu ki doctor ki nurse ki nongtre but ki bor panyat ki Bethany Hospital Nongpoh ha ka janmit si thoding ki lapelong ya ka jingthang yau mombati kum ka dak ka jing sngewlem halor ka jing shahpynïap but shale bi jat ka Doktor ha Kolkata balakhi ha kaleng ka ri India nonor ka jingthang mombati ki lapen menaru bahak ka nyuterik kin khang ya ka OPD but kin pediang ban sumar tangnya kitu ki badan ha ki emergency case kadaw kalong baki snokti lang bat baro ki Doktor hapo kari India ki bala yeng ban persha bat penram halor ka jingsha pynïap ka Doktor ha Kolkata na kalyang u Doktor CM Poshna ula ajin kren ban penram halor ka te ka jingsha pynïap ka Doktor ha Kolkata na kalyang jongki kum ki Doktor ru kilapha ya ka khubor sngewlem shah ki bahayeng hasam ka te ka Doktor bat kila penram juru halor ka ne ka jingja baki bor ka an kide ban kem ya kitu ki badan kiti ha ka pynïap ya ka te ka Doktor ka padang don ha padeng ka jinghikai ha RG Car Medical College and Hospital Kolkata.
Lord Jesus, come to you today.
Dan jingthang ju yang iru kunci apoi. I begin mau ya. But try not. What do you know ya kai? Nangis camera try na ni Doktor try. Bagani ke jiwa ni Doktor try. Amen.
Few days for us, a member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond thinkable. She had suffered so much and had to in the line of duty. She was doing her work in the place where she thought that she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of the comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female workers, be it any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work, the environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So these few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I condone my deepest condolences to the family and may her soul rest in peace. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council has called for just a mark of to show that a solidarity with the whole of the doctors fraternity of the country. We from Bethany hospitals will be not functioning our routine OPDs, but our emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Other works, emergency works will continue.